Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. Today we are making creamy chicken mushroom lasagna. Come with me and let's make this delicious healthy meal. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. Come with me and let's go together. Ingredients: we'll be needing our lasagna pasta. This is our courgette or zucchini, mushroom, salt to taste, black pepper, chickpeas powder, fresh tomatoes, chicken fillet, olive oil, pasta sauce, chopped onions, basil, butter, paprika powder, Italian herbs and stock cube, garlic, cheese, mozzarella cheese, and milk. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for our cooking, guys. Add and add a little oil, olive oil, and some butter to the pan. Add half of our chopped onions. We'll go ahead and add our paprika powder and Italian herbs and our stock cube. Stir everything in. Please subscribe to this channel and help your woman. I need all the subscribers in this world, guys. And by the way, thank you. I really appreciate that you always listen to this channel. Garlic. You need a lot of garlic for this recipe. It's very important. And add our chopped tomatoes. Since I already washed, I'll go ahead and chop my mushrooms. My daughters really love lasagna, but they are fed up with the beef. That's why I'm really making this one with chicken. It's also super delicious, guys. You can also give it a try for your children. Go ahead and add our mushroom. Take it in. The flavors here, guys, it's really awesome. The combination of the mushroom and the chicken, it's really awesome. We'll go ahead and cut our zucchini or courgette. I don't know which language you speak. What's the name of this? What do you call this in where you come from? Dutch call it courgette. English is zucchini, but I don't know where you're watching it from. So let me know what you call this. Our zucchini. You just finish and then put it in your oven. And it's also something you can also prepare in a lot of batches and also keep it in your freezer. So anytime you want to eat lasagna, you just bring it out of your freezer and you are done. It looks so yummy and delicious, guys. Go ahead and add our tomato, our pasta sauce, guys. Water. Medium heat with our bechamel sauce or white sauce or creamy sauce. I'll go ahead and add the butter to the pan. Melt our butter. Guys, with this recipe you can use flour or cornstarch, but since this channel is about eating healthy, I'm going for the healthiest choice. That's why I'm using my chickpeas powder. So it's the same, just the same way. Add my onions to fry. Let's go ahead and add our basil. So I'll just twist it. I don't want to have it on your fingertips like this. These are fresh basil, but you can also use the dry one if that's what you have. Akoko mesan in your lasagna, guys. The flavors here, the nyasa ketchup. We'll go ahead and add our chickpeas powder to our mixture. And go ahead and stir in our milk. Black pepper, and then we'll add the mozzarella cheese. You can also use any cheese of your choice. I'll add some salt. Salt is always to your taste. You stir everything in. Our cheese sauce is ready, guys. So we go ahead and set it aside. It's ready. Let's set it aside. Okay, look how creamy it is. Set it aside. Our sauce is doing perfect. It's ready. I'm not going to let it overcook because it's going to go in the oven for 35 to 45 minutes, guys. So it's okay so that we wouldn't overcook our veggies. Perfect. I'll put on the fire and then we'll start to lay it in our baking tray or in our baking bowl. That's ready. So I'll go ahead and baste our pan with some margarine or butter. This process is very important because sometimes if you don't do it this way, your lasagna will stick under the bottom of the pan. So when you baste it with butter or margarine, you are secure that it will come out perfect after it's ready, guys. We'll go ahead and start arranging our lasagna in our pan. Guys, just look at what I'm doing here. But I also have a video on lasagna, beef lasagna on the channel. I made it in a Ghanaian way. That was my first video almost 2 years ago. So you can also check that video out. Check that video out. Lasagna pasta, we are using whole grain pasta, but you can also use any pasta of your choice. But since this channel is about healthy eating, you always try to go for the healthiest choice. We'll just add some cheese. So this is 4-layer lasagna, guys. I like about lasagna is that you can incorporate any vegetables of your choice. Sometimes there are some vegetables when you cook it raw, your kids will never eat it. But when you make it, you put them in the lasagna, they don't even notice it, they just enjoy it. So guys, let's make this delicious creamy chicken mushroom lasagna, and you are going to thank me later. So delicious. So guys, I have preheated my oven for 10 minutes for 200 degrees, and now I'm going to bake it on 180 degrees for 40 minutes or 45 minutes. It depends on your oven. Even sometimes 35 minutes, your lasagna will be ready. So let's go ahead and put it in our oven. Lasagna is set and ready in the oven. We are baking it for 40 minutes on 180 degrees. See you later. Our creamy mushroom chicken lasagna is ready. It looks so yummy, but as we all know, it just came out from the oven. It's so super hot. The best way to eat your lasagna is to wait for it to cool down, then it will relax, and then you can enjoy it to the maximum. Let's dig in these goodies and serve. Look how delicious it looks. Our lasagna is ready. Wow, look at these goodies here. Wow, look. Guys, thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious creamy mushroom lasagna. But if you're not to this channel, you have not subscribed, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Do adios, kiss. Let's give it a try, guys. Let's try our this is so yummy.